Hey guys, it's Tats here from Castagra. And there was this really famous CEO. And one of his stores, he owns a chain of these stores, at his flagship location had the lights out. And it was bugging the heck out of him. So he went to his operation director and said, please get this light fixed at this location. And the operation director looks at him and says, I'm not going to fix that light, but what I am going to do is I'm going to figure out, how this will never ever happen again. So he was really, really focused on the system. When he saw the failure, he saw that one light, but immediately wasn't thinking about, fixing that one problem. He was trying to fix the system that caused that light to be off. So when you're looking at opportunities to make big improvements, don't just fixate on the problem. Of course, if there is a problem that needs to be fixed and customers are impacted, go ahead, fix it right away. But do not let the thing sit right there. Go back and figure out why it happened and put systems in place so they never, ever happen again. Too many times as entrepreneurs, we get sort of caught in doing, firefighting stuff. One problem shows up, we fix it. A problem shows up, we fix it again. It's like this never-ending game of whack-a-mole. But stop. Drill down deeper, figure out what the root problem is, and start to address it. Whether you have to change the behavior or implement systems to make sure that it never ever happens again, you have to address things at that level or you're just going to be constantly overwhelmed. Anyways, it's Tats here and I'll talk to you again soon.